Hi guys, welcome to the second episode of the BFF review.
With the new BFFs in town, I am Malvika and that is Ananya. We'll be reviewing some sheet masks for you. So Ananya, I want to know when was the first time that you actually used a sheet mask?
I think my first time using a sheet mask was when I was in middle school. So I used to be obsessed with K-dramas and K-pop. So I was begging my parents to buy me one. So I think that was the first time that I ever tried a sheet mask. What about you?
मेरे लिए तो I used it before, but like जब मुझे actual में use करने में मज़ा आया was like during college when I was with my best friend and sheet mask used to be like a girls' night vibe where we would watch movies and like have some wine, pizza, that kind of a moment, that kind of a setup. Yeah.
So our discovery for sheet mask was in different phases of our life.
Definitely.
Our intention today also is to tell you guys more about, the kind of sheet mask that you can use based on the kind of problems you have on your skin.
Ananya, which one should we start with from our line?
I think it would be my favorite. Obviously, the Skin 1004. I think it works great for all skin types.
Rockstar.
Yo. Okay, so the first product we have is this one by Skin 1004. It's a sheet mask that I swear by. So what I love about this product is that it has 51% Centella asiatica, which I think is really good to help soothe your skin, hydrate it, and that's one of these properties that I love about it.
I haven't really used this one, but the packaging looks bomb.
It's so cool.
It's really compact.
And other really good thing about this product is it fits your face really well.
Should we test it?
Yeah, I think we should do that.
My goodness.
Oh yeah, it feels like you're underwater.
Feels really hydrating.
Yeah.
बस अब मुझे मेरा iced tea दे दो मुझे. मतलब like it's so hydrating. Like I feel like it's like summer all over again.
Right.
So I need my iced tea and I need my AC. I need my shots. I need just like I want to chill. And like this is the kind of vibe it's giving.
It feels like summer's really back, and I love that for us.
Too much product, which is just what we need. This feels like a giant hug for your skin barrier.
And I love that. I love that we get to experience summer like this.
Yeah.
So yeah, thumbs up from us.
Next up, we have the Klairs Moist Soothing Gel Mask, and let me just say I have used this personally, and it's actually very good. It's for sensitive skin and it's aloe vera based, and it also has ceramides and centella extract, which makes it super hydrating.
Yeah, I think it's great for soothing and moisturizing skin. Like if you had like a very your stressful day at office, I think this is great to rewind when you're once back home. Okay, let's try it.
Yes.
I like the packaging. This paper.
Yeah, the feel.
Texture is
I like
so
the feel
cool.
of it. Yeah.
Like the texture of the paper literally feels like skin. So
just look at the product.
A tip for you all. So if you feel like there's too much serum leaving from your sheet mask, make sure to put it on your neck, on your back of your hands. It's great for moisturizing that way.
It's amazing on your face and skin.
I bet.
Batman looking.
See, I love the application. I think it's better. It's less messy.
Yeah.
Impressive. I like it. Okay, so this next one I think is something that is really personal to me, this brand. It's Neef Neef. It's the Cool Moist Mask. And it feels personal to me because I love K-pop, and the first Korean brand that I was really excited for the launch of was Neef Neef, because if you know, you know. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one.
और मैंने इसके बारे में ये भी सुना है that once you put it you feel like something very cold hit your face.
Absolutely, because it has glycerine, it has panthenol, it also has aloe extract, so I think that does the work for you.
Should we try it?
Yeah, let's do it. It won't come out only.
Skill issue, bro.
It's a lot of
I'm excited to see how it feels on my face because I've heard a lot about it.
And it feels different also, the consistency. Don't
Yeah,
you think it's a little bit more...
It's very smooth.
Yeah, it's more smoother.
Oh, bro, this actually feels really cool. Yeah.
See,
I think this would be a great morning sheet mask because I think I personally have puffy eyes right when I wake up, and if I put this, I think this will like really help in settling that down. It should be a good product for like a day morning routine sheet mask.
Also, like if you want to get ready for an event and you need like the quick hydration, great for that as well.
Yeah.
Great. Approved.
Next up, we have the Rovectin Hydrating Sheet Mask, and my best friend literally swears by this product. She's always like, whenever she's going out for any party or anything, she would put this, and like it'll really depuff her face and give her that glass skin kind of glow that we all like really want.
Also, I see it has like some crazy ingredients. The hyaluronic acid, it has niacinamide, it has panthenol, it also has caffeine. And us being like coffee haters, guys, don't cancel us.
Don't cancel us.
But
please.
this is our coffee intake of the day. So yeah, we're excited to use this one.
So much product again, bro, but that's really nice.
That's a good thing, guys.
कैसे हो गई?
Skill problem again, Malvika, I think you have.
First mask that actually fits our faces perfectly.
Oh yes, I have to give it to Rovectin. Great product, man. I mean, I'm feeling the hydration.
And there's still so much serum left inside the packet.
of
We
course.
could like use it. The final product is like, it has to be my favorite one. It's the Biodance Collagen Deep Mask. And let me just say, मेरे घर पे अभी शादी थी और मैं ये एक रात पहले I just put it overnight and it worked wonders on my skin. Like it literally gave me that glass skin type of glow that everybody wants on a big day like that.
True. Your big day.
Not my big day, are you crazy?
Okay, never
कोई
mind.
है नहीं अभी.
Oh, interesting.
It actually firms your face really well. और ये transparent हो जाएगा as we dry it.
I know. I've seen videos.
Yeah.
It's really viral on the internet.
Yeah. This is the viral one, guys.
This is to shut your mouth up because you speak too much nonsense. This feels so good on the skin. I think the hyaluronic acid and the collagen is doing its work. So I love that for us. So good. I'm dancing.
Guys, this is not just us in the room who are wearing a mask for you guys. The whole crew, everyone in this room is wearing it for you. I'll just show it to you. This product takes just 4 hours to do its magic, and like we'll be rolling through the day and
With these on?
Yeah, with this on. With this, we come to the end of the video, and let me just say that I had fun doing this, even though it got like messy, but
Yeah.
still.
You guys watched us embarrass ourselves, but at the same time, it's our skin that, took the benefit.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
not a
Abhi
loss. Not a loss, really.
अब मेरा काम करने का कोई मन नहीं है.
Yeah.
I just want to just lay in bed and like watch a show so they can do that for us.
Sadly, now we're at the end of the video, and you've seen much of this messy duo. But
Yeah.
if you want to see more of us,
You have to like, share, and subscribe to Glass Skin by Kind Life, and we'll see you next
guys
time.
later. Bye!